I wish the people I invited to the garage would come sometime so I can show them this. I'm really excited to teach them more about this.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Hi.
What is this?
It's a chassis. We use it for our outreach events and take it to the park to show kids.
Oh, interesting. I see. So what is that? What is outreach? Never heard of it before.
Outreach is like we help the community through events and through our participation in robotics. We spread the values of STEM through events that we do.
Oh, cool. Wait, that's amazing. Great. Oh my, this is actually so cool. Wait up. Is it? Oh, there's wheels on the side too. Wait, that's nice. How does this work?
Yeah, the chassis is powered by motors, which move the belts, and they make the wheels move.
Oh, wait, that is so cool. Wow, how much time, so for this whole outreach stuff, when you guys are teaching these students this, how long does it take you guys? How much time per week do you guys spend?
Approximately 6 hours per week.
6 hours per, oh my, that is actually quite a lot. Is there no other, smarter way to do it? 6 hours seems almost 1 hour a day, man, that's quite a lot. Is there a smarter way?
What do you mean by smarter outreach?
Right now, so you told me the belts are spinning the wheels. All you really need to show this is just a camera focusing on it, and then you can explain it, right?
Yeah.
So then, why don't you make a video?
Yeah, I guess we can do that.
If you guys have a YouTube channel or something like that for your team?
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel named Ink and Metal.
Yeah, oh, that's perfect. For example, then you can just post the video, so you guys can just focus the camera on whichever mechanism you guys want to describe, post the video to your YouTube channel, and then I think from there you guys can just count unique viewers or something like that, maybe to quantify how many people this video has just reached out to, right?
We can reach a larger audience.
Oh yeah, definitely. I think also you guys can actually use YouTube's unique view counts to actually just quantify your impact. I think that would probably be helpful for you guys. As a team, you guys can see how many people your videos are reaching out to. Man, that's pretty cool. But then, what if someone has questions? How are you guys gonna answer that?
We were thinking make a forum on our website, and anyone who has questions can just post their questions there. And a lot of people can access it too, so they can see if anyone had the same question.
Oh yeah, that is pretty smart. That means you guys don't need to answer all the questions, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, that's a really cool idea. Yeah, wait, this is some really nice stuff, this chassis. Wow, this is great, guys.
Wow, you seem really smart with all those ideas.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want to join our team?
Oh, sure, wait, that'd be amazing. Join our vibe, never.
Yeah, this is our team sweatshirt. You should join our team.
Oh, thank you so much. I've always been interested in robotics, but never knew who to approach. Thank you so much for this opportunity, Ink and Metal. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Now that I'm on Ink and Metal, let me do the honors. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go! I'm on Ink and Metal. Oh my god, I'm so excited.